Hi, I'm Emma Henry and welcome to this online video aiming to support teachers with the planning and teaching of web literacy and computing. Today we shall be focusing on remixing, why this is important and how we can apply this into our lessons. In this video we will be concentrating on remixing. The content of this video will mainly be for Key Stage 2, maybe the upper stages of Year 5 and 6. The content will also focus on the resources that will make really good interactive lessons that teachers can use so that they can plan and make their own lessons which will be fun so that children can understand what remixing is and how to remix digital content on the web. But first off, we need to have a think. What does remixing actually mean?
According to Mozilla and their web literacy maps in here, remixing is one of the key aspects that is needed to be able to write on the web. Remixing is being able to encode and decode meaning in digital content by constructing, redesigning and reinventing online text. This means that children are able to understand the content of online text and able to adapt and change the coding in its materials. This means that children are able to build upon their web literacy learning and being able to become systematical thinkers. So where do we start and how do we teach really good remixing? Mozilla's X-ray goggles are a brilliant way for children to be able to enter and inspect the digital content that there is on the web. The goggles give children the opportunity to inspect the separate segments of code which create the different aspects of the page. Using the sample activity in a previous lesson is a great way to introduce the children to the X-ray goggles. Here they can inspect the coding in the different sections of the page and remix it by editing the words and changing the parts of the creatures used to create and name a new animal. So we know where and how to start, but what activities can you do for the lessons? Hack the News is a brilliant activity that enables children to remix the coding of online articles to edit and create their own. Teaching this alongside newspaper reports in English will help deepen the children's understanding of the technical features and the structure of newspaper reports. Once the children have been able to remix some of the online articles they have read, then they should be given the task of trying to create their own article. Engaging the children with a focused theme can be done through cross-curricular links. Focus the children's remixed articles to report on an event from a rich text that's being focused on in English or reading, an element of geography learnt, an historical period studied in history, or even presenting findings from a recent scientific inquiry. Finally, we need to think of an appropriate way to finish their lessons. At the end of the session, give the children the opportunity to share their articles they've created with other pupils, gaining very valuable peer feedback from partners, as well as sharing tips, hints, and anything else that they have learnt throughout the session. 2 or more computer lessons will most likely be needed for the children to be able to complete their articles.
I hope this video has been really useful and good luck with remixing with your own class. Thanks, bye!